Well, good morning, everybody. A lot going to be going on today. We have 80 acres left of soybeans to cut. We've already started in the field, and we got about 80, I'd say about 84, 85 acres left to do. So that's it of the soybeans, and then we'll be moving on to corn. So pretty big day. Going to be finishing up soybeans, going to be starting corn. So, well, I'm hoping we can start corn at least. I'd say if we wrap up this soybean field here, there's not much of a do, so we could actually be cutting here fairly quick. Let's go. Last day of cutting beans.
Yep.
Ready to slide onto that corn head?
Yep.
They're sitting over there waiting for us. Oh boy, am I ready to be done with soybeans. I greased all the 10-hour zerks, checked all the fluids, filled it up, wiped down my windows on the inside, I guess. I did the outside last night with my California dash duster, but all the side shields you open up, the bean dust just goes everywhere, and there's no wind out, so a lot of bean dust around the nose here this morning. Let this machine warm up here for a sec, and we will be cutting. There we go. Yesterday when we quit, I was able to run a pretty good little speed there, about 3.5 miles an hour, but conditions are a little bit damp here this morning. Definitely not super bad. I mean, shoot, there's a lot of times you can't start cutting beans till 10 o'clock and it's 8:15, so sure is a lot better than sometimes. They still are just a little bit tough here this morning, but it will not take long and we will be rolling. Now that right there is not what you want to see. And that would be a rock sitting on the draper head. And that was close. If that would have gone into the belt, yeah, you want to talk about tearing some stuff up, that'll do it. Well, we got a combine down. Dad's at Berkey's right now trying to rummage up some parts to get it rolling. And I'm not sure exactly what it was. Something with his return. So, pulleys and shafts and all that stuff. So, I'm just going to wait and call him, talk to him about it when he's done and rolling. I don't want to bother him right now. So 6088 just needs to keep on rolling, and let's try to get this last field knocked out. Hey, looky there. He's rolling. Come on, we don't have much left, Dad. Let's go. Get that 9 series all wound up. Let's go, let's get her done. I'm ready to slide the corn head on this thing. There you have it, folks. The last pass of soybeans. Just like that, we're on to corn. I'll dump the last little bit here in my tank on the cart, and Dad'll do the same, and we'll be headed out of here. for beans, and you want it slow for corn. Throw that in first gear. Take my chopper belt. Needs to be swapped pulleys here, so you take this tensioner, take the tension off it, throw it on a different pulley, bottom and top, to slow down your speed. So I'll go ahead and do that. You also got to throw down your knives here too, so there we go. Whew. Bean dust. I'm gonna be getting a lot of that because I gotta clean this combine off. Gotta blow it out, clean out the grain tank, and then I got photos here on my phone.
Need help hooking on, or you want me to stay here now?
No, I can get it. I got photos on my phone of my settings that I ran last year for corn, so I know every year's different, but it's a good start. So I'll go through on my phone and mess with my sieves and rotor speed and concave and all that stuff here. But I'm gonna hook onto this head cart and take this all to the farm. The fun part right here, getting everything blown off. Dad's combine's just about done here, and I'm gonna pull mine up there, do the same thing. Well, here we go. Heading to the first field of corn. Well, here we go. Taking the ends off. Pioneer white corn.
Yeah.
Going to Frito Lake.
You're supposed to get away from that other head.
Yeah, it's a lot better. He's talking about how there's so much more room here between the cart and the combine. This is an 8-row corn head. Dad runs a 12, so the corn head he's hooked onto is same size as the bean head that I just unhooked from. So 20 foot and 30 foot. So we don't have any guidance here on the corn, so well, getting off a little bit.
Hopefully.
First load's getting ready to go into Frito Lake. So yeah, anyway, I got a manual steer this. I don't have any sensors like Dad does for guidance, so it ain't too bad to steer it in corn. It's just, you got a lot going on. You're trying to eat lunch and that kind of stuff. It's no fun. First load, 16%. He said 15.9.
15.9.
Second load, 15.9.
15.9. Okay, thank you. You hear that, Dad? Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yep, it's pretty good. Well, I was picking right along, started to have a row that was jamming up, and I can see the gathering chain. It's not one to turn. It'll turn, make a few laps, and then it'll stop, go real slow, and then it'll make a few more turns. So I don't know, maybe gonna be a gearbox out on that row. So I'm unloading my hopper right now on this cart, and I'm taking this thing to the shop. I'm gonna take some shields off of this corn head and take a look at it, see what's going on. So stay tuned here. About to pull her in the shop here, do a little investigation. Okay, well, tightened up the slip clutch and it's working. Thought it was a gearbox maybe out, but no. So tighten the slip clutch. I'm backing out of the shop now, heading to the field, and we're gonna pick. So, well, we're picking like crazy now. That's all it was. We were wondering if the gearbox was out. Tightened up the slip clutch, and we put a crescent wrench on the big drive shaft there, and everything was turning good, and we're picking right along now. So that's a relief, because I was really not wanting to do a whole gearbox deal here on this head, because that is not very fun. I've never done one, but I've never put a new gearbox on a corn head like this, or any corn head at all, but I'm telling you what, I don't think it's very fun. So good thing it was just the slip clutch. Tighten her up. Elevator's closed. It's 7:15 right now. So we just got 2 more trucks and 2 carts to load. Since we started corn, we've got 2 auger carts now. We only ran 1 of beans, so 2 combines though. It doesn't take too long to fill things up. So tomorrow is first forecasted rain in a long time. I think my phone shows it's supposed to start late morning tomorrow, and I've heard that we're supposed to get a decent amount of rain. So, I mean, we could actually use a shower. It's really dry, but I don't know. I like the progress we're making. I mean, we have started harvest and have not had a single rain delay yet. Normally we always get rained out at least 1 time while we're cutting beans, but not this year. We just kept on rolling, and now we're into corn. After combining beans for a little over 2 weeks straight and transitioning to corn, what a good feeling. Just move a lot faster. You're not slugging the feeder house at 7 o'clock in the evening, and you're getting a lot done. There's a lot going on. Well, getting ready to shut her down now. Actually get done sooner when you're picking corn because everything just goes so much quicker. You can load everything up, and it's almost 8 o'clock, and I'm getting ready to top the cart off here now and take these things to the farm. Since there's rain in the forecast, I'll probably just pull this in the shed, or the shop I mean. Keep it out of the rain. Let's see how full the cart is. Can I fit the rest of this on the cart? Well, give it our best shot.
Remember, I have to get a tarp.
Yeah, I'm gonna tarp it right now real quick. And into the shop we go. Luxury parking spot right here, and that is something Dad cannot do because his corn head is 30 foot and the door is 28. Should have bought a folding. Well, that's gonna be all for today's video. Appreciate you guys for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that sub button down below, and we'll see you next time.